Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to move photos from Google Drive to Google Photos. And we have to start by open Google Photos in the browser. I tried to move it using a phone application, but we have no options to move it to use phone application. So I'm going to open my Chrome, and now I will write Google Photos and I will enter into Google Photos. I just wanna change the email. This one is mine. So to remove it from Google Drive, in the Google Photos you need to click at the plus at the right top. Then right here we have Add Photos, as you can see, and here's Google Drive. Select Google Drive and it will open for me my Google Drive from this account. So right here I have Photos, and we can now move it. So you need to select it. Let's say I wanna send all of them. So I select these photos, and then you need to click Upload. If you have the folder, you need to enter inside and select all photos what you wanna share. So let's click Upload, then select quality. I wanna use original quality and continue. Now we need to wait a bit, and now we have all these photos. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!